most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi folks, I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
Because
therapist.
we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today we're going to do Bob and Brad's 5-minute daily stretch challenge. It's a 30-day challenge.
30 days.
Yeah, what we want to do is, first off, Brad, we're taking away their excuses because this is a stretch that anybody can do because you can do it in a chair if need be.
Yep.
And you can do it, all you're going to need is a rolled towel, which we actually have it taped up, or a belt.
Yep.
So you can't tell me that you don't have that at home. So after 30 days, I want you to see, are you having less pain? Are you feeling better? Are you moving better? Are you acting younger?
Is your posture better?
Your posture better?
Gonna help.
So let's get started, Brad. We'll do the giveaway at the end of the video.
Sure.
Okay, we'll mention what the giveaway is.
All right.
Number one is the chin tuck
Ooh.
neck extension. Yeah, we should do one from the side, Brad.
Have we ever done this one before?
No, I think we've done it a few times.
Ad nauseum.
Now, if you can do this and go back quite far without pain, you don't need to use a towel. If you're having some pain or discomfort, take the towel, place it around your neck and pull down and then go back. Chin tuck, go back.
You can use a belt.
Go back. Yes.
The belt, it is best if it's a nice, a little bit softer belt. Fabric works a little bit better. Leather's okay.
Now, to make this a 5-minute challenge, 5-minute video, we're not going to be real time here. You should be doing that for just like 15 seconds. It doesn't take much time to get your neck loosened up. Next one is the hallelujah stretch or hands behind the neck stretch. So you're going to need a chair with a decent back that hits you maybe a little below the shoulder blades, and you can go hallelujah. This is stretching that mid-back, upper back. Another way to do it is to grab your hands behind your neck, bring the elbows up, and it's push them back.
Oh, these are great waker-uppers. You do this in the morning when you're still a little groggy, you will be awake afterwards, that's for sure.
Yeah, and you can say hallelujah if you want.
Hallelujah.
Yeah. By the way, we wanted to show you that you can do this in workout clothes or you can do it in regular clothes. Again.
Or no clothes if you're in the morning. Some people are like that.
It drives you, yeah.
Some people.
We're taking away all your excuses, basically. So, all right, forearm rotation. I just like this one. It's a great stretch for a person. You can do this 5-minute stretch challenge a couple times a day.
Oh, yeah.
So if you're working at a desk, this is a great one because you overuse those forearms when you're typing.
No, notice, bring their fist down and then rotate it.
Yeah,
that's
correct.
important that we do that.
Shoulder extension. Now this one might be better. It's okay, Mike, if we stand up. Mike says it's okay that we stand up.
Oh.
So if you don't have the towel or belt, you could maybe grab onto your wrist and pull back like this. But if you are tight like Brad,
I can barely reach.
Then you want to use the belt. And a lot of times it does help. You're going to stretch back as far as you can. Good for your shoulders and good for your chest, actually. But this is a real common exercise with the McKenzie exercise.
Don't let your head lurch forward.
Right.
Keep it up where it belongs.
Yeah, and this one we're going to do about 30 seconds.
Breathe with all these, Bob. We need to breathe and relax.
Nice reminder. Since we're in this position, Brad, let's just drop it right down to the low back here. This is one that Brad probably wouldn't do because we're doing back extensions here.
I'll do just baby ones.
Yeah, baby ones. So this, we spend a lot of our day in that forward position, picking things off the floor. This is the counterbalances. It's a great one to do. You see pregnant ladies do this a lot of times after they lift something, they'll stand up and they readjust themselves. So you can put the belt in here or the towel in here. You can do 30 seconds worth of stretches that way.
So if you have lumbar stenosis or spondylolisthesis, which I have, that stretch you can do very, very gently.
Yeah.
Or not at all.
It's actually not a bad idea to do them a little bit, like you said, little micro extensions there.
Sure.
All right, hip extension. Brad's going to show this on the floor, actually. And I'm going to show you, again, how to do it on a chair. So what you're going to do is basically rotate to the side. I got one butt cheek off the chair, one butt cheek on the chair. And I'm going to lean forward like this and I'm stretching this muscle right here. Now Brad's doing the same, and he's probably doing a little bit better job of getting a stretch than I am. But again, for someone who's never done this before, this is probably going to be enough for you.
Right, on the chair. If you do it like this, you're probably going to want to have a pillow or a cushion like I'm using. Otherwise, it's a little aggressive on the knee.
Especially if you're old like us.
Yeah.
You really want those pads down there. You don't no longer can take the...
If you have nice cushy carpet, you might be okay.
Yeah. And you're going to do both sides. That's why we're allotting 45 seconds of time for this exercise.
Sure.
Next one, hip external rotation.
Ooh.
Real common, especially as you get older, for this muscles or ligaments to get tight. Going to cross your ankle over the opposite knee. Pressure on, pressure off. I love this one, Brad.
Yeah, I do too.
This one feels really good to me. I have trouble with this right hip, and this is that hurts so good stretch when I do it.
Yeah. This is just, when I put my socks on in the morning like this,
Sure.
I'll take a second or two just to do this. It's convenient, takes no more time, and life is good afterwards.
Yeah, we're going to get both sides. Again, we're going to allot 45 seconds of time to do this. So the chin tuck took 15 seconds, the hallelujah stretch 30 seconds, the forearm stretch 15 seconds, the low back extension 30 seconds. This one, hip extension, was 45 seconds. External rotation, 45
Between
seconds.
both legs. So
Yeah,
that would be 22 and a half seconds per leg.
you got it right. Good math, Brad.
Did you notice my blue socks, Bob?
Yeah.
Now, there's people are going to comment on how nice this looks because it matches.
Yeah.
I feel pretty proud of myself. I got matching. I dressed good.
I got blue and gray here, so I don't really
Yeah, that's a
imagine.
good match, too. We're getting better.
in our world.
Yeah.
So hamstring stretch. Now, for those of you, if you haven't stretched your hamstrings, you can just grab underneath your knees and lift up like this and then pull the foot up. Brad's going to show how you can actually use the belt to grab off the end of the foot and pull it straight here.
One thing,
to keep my back straight while I'm doing this.
Yeah, I was going to say that makes a significant
Yeah.
difference. If you slouch, you won't get as good as a stretch. If you start up tall and seated, scoot your bottom back in the chair, and your hamstrings will stretch better with less effort, actually.
You can even do this.
Sure.
You can put a towel underneath and lift up and then stretch it forward. Yep, I feel that hammy go on.
And actually, if you do these with your shoes on, you probably have better luck because when you put the towel or the belt around your foot, it grabs onto the rubber sole a little bit better.
Yeah.
So we're just
Gives you a
trying
little bit of leverage.
Right, we're trying to keep our white floor pristine here.
That's
So,
right. All right, that's number 8. That's a 45-second stretch. Again, allotting 22 and a half seconds for each side. Last one is a heel cord stretch. Again, real common to have problems with this, especially for the weekend athlete.
yes.
And also, I think a lot of people develop plantar fascia because they don't keep this tight, loose enough. So you're going to put it around the forefoot. And I actually got the knee bent. You can do the knee straight and the knee bent. And you're going to give it a good pull.
Now, I actually put my shoe on for this one because it makes such a big difference on this one because sometimes it wants to pull over your slips on the cloth of the sock.
Right.
Especially if you got blue ones like mine. But this really, because it grips.
Yeah, now you got her going,
yeah,
Brad.
and it's easier. It takes less effort. So just a little hint to the wise.
Yeah, there's
you
different
consider
ways
that.
you can do it. Again, you can do it with the knee bent or the knee straight. Oh, boy, that does really stretch.
Yeah.
Ooh, baby.
Get it all. Yeah. And with the sock on, not as easy.
To be honest with you, Brad, you can do the hamstring stretch and heel cord stretch together.
That's a double whammy, though,
that's
Bob.
a double whammy. You do feel it, so.
You can save yourself 22 and a half seconds.
That's right. So there you go. It doesn't take very long. You can do it in a chair. You can do it in the stairs. You can do it. I want to rhyme somehow, but it didn't work out very good. But so, what's our giveaway this week?
Oh,
Brad?
excellent point, Bob.
By the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day.
Every day.
This week, we're giving away the Knee Glide. This is a great device for rehab, especially after a knee replacement.
Oh, yeah.
But even if you're just trying to keep your knee, if you're having a painful knee and you're trying to keep it moving, it just works out really well for that. And it's so lightweight, Brad. It's what, 3 pounds or less?
3.1.
3.1 pounds.
Here, let's show it from the different angle, and then
Sure.
they can see. You know, if you've got some arthritis, man,
Arthriticism.
yeah.
If you have some arthriticism in your knee.
Yeah, we got different angles. This is the game changer with this versus putting a towel on the floor. You know, you can get different angles.
Yeah.
We're proud of this device.
We are proud of this device.
Oh, what about
Took a lot of work.
this?
So you got to find it. The giveaway is on bobandbrad.com. Go to the giveaway section. You can also find it on Facebook. It'll be pinned to the top of the page. Go to Twitter, or Instagram, or TikTok if you want a 60-second version of our program every day.
There you go, Bob.
Who would want 60 seconds of us a day, Brad?
Right. Well, they're just going to repeat until they get 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's right.
Those people have problems.
Thanks for watching, everybody.